Welcome to Gadget Galaxy. Are you ready to explore the perfect blend of luxury and adventure? In today's video, we're showcasing the most luxurious houseboats you can actually afford in 2024. Whether you dream of a peaceful lakeside retreat or a life cruising through scenic waterways, these houseboats offer all the comforts of a modern home with a touch of aquatic elegance. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Nomad 75, a floating mansion by Gulfcraft. This houseboat offers stunning interiors, including spacious living areas, a full kitchen, and multiple bedrooms. With eco-friendly features and solar panels, it's perfect for anyone looking to live sustainably on the water. Starting at just under $1 million, it's a steal for the luxury it provides. The Bravada Atlas series redefines affordable luxury on the water. Known for its sleek design and customizable interiors, this houseboat comes equipped with everything from state-of-the-art appliances to a rooftop deck perfect for entertaining. Prices start at $500,000, making it a dream come true for many water enthusiasts. The Bravada Atlas series redefines affordable luxury on the water. Known for its sleek design and customizable interiors, this houseboat comes equipped with everything from state-of-the-art appliances to a rooftop deck perfect for entertaining. Prices start at $500,000, making it a dream come true for many water enthusiasts. Next is the Futura 36, a compact yet luxurious houseboat ideal for small families or couples. With a sleek, modern design, it features a cozy living space, kitchen, and panoramic windows that let you soak in the beauty of your surroundings. With a starting price of $300,000, it's one of the most affordable options on our list. The La Mer XL Living Houseboat offers a perfect balance of comfort and style. This floating home includes a large living room, kitchen, and bedrooms, making it a great option for full-time living. Prices start at $200,000, proving luxury doesn't always have to break the bank. The Overblue 44 is a stylish and versatile houseboat designed for both adventure and relaxation. It features a spacious rooftop deck, modern interiors, and advanced navigation systems, perfect for exploring open waters. With a base price of $400,000, it's an excellent choice for aspiring houseboat owners. For a rustic yet luxurious vibe, the Aqua Lodge from Catamaran Cruisers is a fantastic option. It's compact, fully functional, and offers customizable interiors to fit your needs. Starting at $150,000, it's an entry-level luxury houseboat for those ready to start their waterborne lifestyle. So there you have it, 7 luxurious houseboats you can actually afford in 2024. These incredible floating homes prove you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a life of luxury and freedom on the water. Which houseboat would you love to call home? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content right here on Gadget Galaxy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.